help you up so you can finish? There you go. Did you get stuck? Oh, you got it. You don't even need my help. There you go, honey. Stuck again? Did you want to get to a new spot? There you go. There you go, Shark Pie. Yeah, you know you already done that spot. This is great. This is wonderful. Thank you very much, my love. One less chore Mama's got to do. You're such a good helper, aren't you? Just gonna Swiffer Mama's floor.